The Cidan Machinery Metal Expo 2026 takes place April 22nd to 23rd at our Peachtree City, Georgia location. This isn't a sit-down-and-watch event. It's a working session built for fabricators who want to improve efficiency, increase output, and take control of their operation. What you'll learn: coil processing simplified. Learn how to properly feed the folders and maintain your system for consistent performance. Maximize your long folder. Hands-on application training to help you get more out of your equipment. Smarter shop setup. Understand how to set up and run efficient metal shop with less waste and better workflow. Financial and tax insights. Explore options that can help you invest in equipment more strategically. Live technology in action. See solutions like NuEvolution and advanced forming systems perform in real time. Some of our event highlights: coffee and networking kickoff, coil processing and maintenance, NuEvolution session, long folder hands-on training, efficient shop setup workshop, lunch and networking. Traveling in? Accommodations available at the Hilton Peachtree City Atlanta Hotel and Conference Center. Sign up is available now. CMME 2026 is an event you don't want to miss. Our sales team will be on hand to answer any questions you might have. Register today for CMME 2026.